Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Chrysler 300 headliner. Start by disconnecting the battery and airbags, then remove sun visors and dome lights to access fasteners. Use trim tools to gently pry out plastic clips and remove A, B, and C pillar covers. Keep screws and clips organized by location. Carefully lower the headliner bored through the door opening and set it on a clean surface for repair or replacement. Begin by removing visors, handles, and lights to reveal the mounting points holding the headliner. Work around the perimeter, removing screws and plastic clips with trim tools while noting each fastener's location. Release the headliner from around the windshield and pillars, supporting the board as it loosens. With two people, tilt and guide the headliner out through a door opening to prevent bending or cracking the board during removal and transport. After removing the headliner, inspect the board for damage and replace any torn foam or fabric using spray adhesive designed for headliners. Allow adhesive to tack per instructions, then test fit the covered board in the vehicle to verify alignment with lights and trim openings. Reinstall the headliner carefully, securing clips and screws in their original positions, and reconnect dome lights, visors, and battery once everything is properly seated and tested for fit and function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.